Hello, and this is my Zippo review. Now we'll start off down here. This is a Zippo. I quite like this one because I feel it's like the original one, so it's just plain. Nothing good with it. Yep. Okay, this one here isn't a Zippo, I just got it because I really like the picture. It's an eagle with skulls on its feet. And it's very easy to open. You can do some pretty rad stuff. No fluid in any of these because I've run out. This one is a Jack Daniels. This one is a Zippo. And I really like the way it's done. The front bit. I don't know why, I just like it. It's quite easy to like. But again, no fluid. This has got to be one of my favourites, Ferrari one, but this isn't a Zippo, this is a Star. And I got this one in Brisbane, in a market. And so, it's pretty good. I really like it because I love cars and Ferraris. This one is a Harley Davidson one. I got this one in Brisbane too, but this one says Star 1 on it. So I'm not quite sure of the difference. And yeah, it's pretty good, but it's got no fluid, so can't get a spark. This one here is a Bintang one, and yeah, I like this one. It's okay. It is a Zippo, and it's, yeah, so I'm happy with these ones. I recently just got my favourite one, which is this guy. I'll show you how big he is compared to my hand. Okay, and compared to the other ones, he is humongous. And that's it. When it's open, that's the spark. Now, I hope you enjoyed my video, and yes, I'm just gonna do something quickly. I'm hoping you can see this. I'm gonna put this up here so you can see. Hopefully you can see me. That's it when it's in a flame. It's not as cool as it could be, but I love it. There we go. There we go. Thanks for watching.